Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, chrome wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.